So you can see I got a pile of A gravel right there. And I always figure, why buy a load of sand in the fall and put it on my driveway? You're not paying much more money for A gravel for a triaxle full anyway. So I buy a load of gravel before the winter comes, and I use gravel on my driveway. In the spring, you got fresh gravel on your driveway, it doesn't matter. And I just put her on there and I zigzag back and forth, as you can tell with that front end loader of the tractor, back and forth, and that gravel is coarse and it bites right into the snow. And we're supposed to get a little rain on top of this tonight or tomorrow. So I'm just being a little bit proactive here on these hills and getting a little bit of that sandy gravel down right now. And that's all that we're up to. So look at the consistency, you guys. This is considered A gravel here. And look at the amount of sand you have in this coarse aggregate. So that's a mixture of sand and gravel, A gravel, and that's what I put on the driveway. And again, you can get gravel up here in northeastern Ontario from 2 or 3 different suppliers, and it'll be completely different between 2 or 3 suppliers. One guy will have almost no sand, one guy will have a little bit more sand in it, and some guys will have really clean gravel, and it just depends where you get it from and who's supplying it. But this load's got a lot of sand in it, which is actually very good material for the driveway for the wintertime. So let's go. Filming and driving, it's not the easiest thing. Alright, so as you guys can see, that A gravel I got there, it's got a lot of sand in it anyway, but generally I buy a load of gravel before winter, and either I go pick up a few loads myself or I order it, whatever. And I just keep it on hand for this right now. We're supposed to get a bit of ice rain, wet rain to ice rain. I don't know yet what the weather's going to bring, so I just coat this driveway right now, and hopefully we don't get into a big ice storm. All right, you guys, so thanks for tuning in, and I'll talk to you in the next one.